Imagine yourself in the Chevrolet 2019 Malibu LS. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are Pacific Blue Metallic, transmission continuously variable, CVT, STD, seats front bucket, STD, jet black premium cloth seat trim, engine 1.5L turbo DOHC 4-cylinder DI with variable valve timing, VVT, 160 horsepower, 119.3 kilowatts at 5,700 RPM, 184 pounds FT torque, 248.4 newtons M, at 2,500 to 3,000 RPMs, STD. LS preferred equipment group includes standard equipment, audio system, Chevrolet infotainment 3 system, 8 inches diagonal color touchscreen, AM/FM